이제 안녕 해볼까? 안녕. This is Titi, by the way. Hello. Hey guys, I'm Jimin. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you how I do my makeup when I need to wear mask and make the makeup last longer. I've actually tried a new technique for this video and it really worked. I've also did 4.5 hour wear test, so if you want to find out how my makeup turned after 4.5 hours, please keep on watching. Okay, so for the first step, I'm using La Roche-Posay's Tone Up Light SPF 50+. Guys, always wear SPF. The mask will not protect your skin from the sun damage, so please wear SPF no matter what. After that, I'm using tissue paper to tap off all unwanted oils from my skin. I think this step definitely helps your makeup last longer. Next, all-nighter makeup setting spray from Urban Decay. On today's video, you will meet this guy a lot. Like a lot. Now I'm going to prime my face with Smashbox The Original Photo Finish Primer. Now your skin is ready to move on to the makeup. For concealer, I'm using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in color number 1 Chantilly. This will be my foundation / concealer today. Not like usual, I'm only putting my concealer on my under eyes where the mask will not be touching. By using the sponge, I'm going to blend the concealer and whatever is left on the sponge, I'm going to dab where it's needed just to balance out in case you need to take off the mask. The base makeup under the mask doesn't need to be perfect since you're not going to take off the mask a lot. Using less products as much as you can is the key to this makeup. And again, Urban Decay's all-nighter makeup setting spray. Next, powder. I'm using Ameli's baked powder in color light pink. Again, I'm focusing putting the product only where the mask will not be touching. And using whatever is left on the sponge, I'm going to do dabbing motion on the rest of my face area. And again, Urban Decay's all-nighter makeup setting spray. For contour, I'm using BBia's Last Blush number 2 Peanut Blossom. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect as most of the parts will be covered by mask, but just to make everything balanced, I'm doing contour. For blush, I'm using Rimmel's Lasting Finish Soft Color Blush in color 20 Pink Rose. For highlight, I'm using Cookie from Benefit Cosmetics. And of course, Urban Decay's all-nighter makeup setting spray time. Now face is done. I'm going to fast forward the eye makeup part since it's not important for today's video. I'll list all the products that I've used down below. But guys, if you're looking for a supernatural eyebrow pencil that's even very affordable, please try BBia's Last Auto Eyebrow Pencil. Today I'm using number 1 charcoal, which is my favorite color among all 5 of them. I used to be super picky with eyebrow products since I barely had eyebrows before I did microblading, and this had been my favorite for years now. The color is very natural and the finish is very powdery. Highly recommend this. And for lips, I'm using Buxom's Power Plump Lip Balm in color Big O. To be honest, I don't really feel plumping for this one, but I like this because it's less oily compared to other stained lip balm type of product. The color might look a little less intense at first, but you can definitely build this up if you want to. And of course, another Urban Decay's all-nighter makeup setting spray time. But this time not only on my face but also my mask. I've actually saw this hack that putting makeup setting spray on your mask will prevent from transferring the makeup on the mask earlier this year, but never tried. So I'm a little excited to try this hack for the first time with you guys. It's almost 9:30, so I'm going to wear this mask for 4.5 hours and check how it was worn throughout the day with you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Hey guys, so it's 2 right now. It's almost 2. So I've been wearing mask for like 4.5 hours at this point, and here's how it looks like underneath the mask. Ready? Ready? Okay. Okay, I can definitely tell that my skin has been oily throughout the day, but this is like perfectly normal for myself, so it's fine. I feel like it looks way worse than the viewfinder, but in the real life it looks a little better. Wait, let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see better. And when I'm looking myself in the mirror like really up close, I can definitely tell that around my mouth area it looks a little off. The base looks imperfect, but nothing too major. But if you're looking at this like more socially appropriate distance, it looks totally fine. So, but I just wanted to like really nitpicking and point out everything. And I feel like underneath my eye makeup area it looks a little smudged, but eye makeup is not the point of today's video, so let's skip that part. So while I was wearing mask, I haven't really drank or eat at all, and I haven't really talked much either. So if you're trying this same exact routine while you're eating and talking a lot, the result may be different, so keep that in mind. And as I mentioned earlier, I feel like the key of this mask proof makeup is that using as less product as possible where the mask is covering, so it doesn't look funny after the mask touches your face makeup throughout the day. Oh, and this is my first time actually using putting setting spray on the mask hack. I feel like it really works for myself. Let me show you guys the inside of my mask. This was where my nose was, and this was where my chin was. And like when you're looking at like this part, I can definitely tell that the foundation has been, no, not foundation, the concealer has been transferred like here a little bit. As I was mentioning, this was my first time using this hack, and before this I literally did everything same except for the putting the setting spray on the mask. So after a few hours I can definitely tell that some of my base makeup definitely transferred on my mask. So yeah, I'm actually really glad that I tried this makeup hack. Is it makeup hack, or should I call that like mask hack? Whatever. I'm really glad that I tried this hack. So I really hope that this helped some of you who struggles from wearing mask and the makeup at the same time. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!